Hello everybody, my name is KARLBYs. I'm a professional IKEA hack and welcome to Handy Design, Modern Ideas Online School. Being handy for the 21st century, always best practices. Historically we're in the sixth wave. Exciting news, acrylic finish for KARLBY. Acrylic oil, this is it. I don't know if you can see it. It's definitely smoother. It's definitely what I would consider a proper finish. Color selection is automatic, right? There's a bit of brown tones, there's a little bit of purple hues, there's a bit of sapwood here and there. That's okay. I love walnut. Walnut never gets stained. Walnut never gets any treatment other than clear coat because that is the beauty of this wood. You won't be able to be applying any finishes on it. I'm not sure what IKEA means by saying that it's an oil acrylic finish. Those two things are essentially on opposite, my understanding in finishing, on opposite side of spectrum. Oil is a penetrating finish that goes deep into the grain. Acrylic, spray on finish, stays on top. It's a film finish. I don't know how that's married, but it's a beautiful, beautiful color, probably more durability, better for, let's say, desks, better for countertops, I hope. I will be doing some testing to confirm the durability of this finish. Exciting is new KARLBY finish, beautiful colors, appears to be a more durable finish. Brings joy to my heart. Another element that I can suggest to clients, another element that I can recommend. Beautiful, I like it, I'm excited. I just saw it. I will be purchasing a slab and I will be running some tests because I want to let you know how it performs. All right, Handy Design, Handy Design, Modern Ideas. I'll see you on the other side. Teachable. Ciao.